Understanding, check the mechanism. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard but not fully understood: check the mechanism. This expression is intriguing, and understanding it can unlock new levels of comprehension in both casual and technical conversations. Let's get started. The phrase, check the mechanism, is used to suggest a thorough examination or inspection of a system, device, or process to ensure it is working correctly or to understand how it operates. While the word check implies examining, verifying, or testing something, mechanism refers to the components or process that make a system work. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from everyday appliances to complex machinery and even abstract processes in work or life strategies. To grasp the phrase's versatility, let's explore examples across different contexts. In technology and engineering, if a machine or device isn't working, someone might say, check the mechanism, meaning to inspect the parts or software to find and fix the issue. In everyday life, when a clock stops ticking, saying, check the mechanism, could involve looking at the gears or battery to ensure they're functioning correctly. In abstract situations, this phrase can also be metaphorical. For example, if a team's workflow is inefficient, a leader might say, let's check the mechanism of our process, meaning to analyze and improve their approach to work. Understanding how to use check the mechanism in conversation or writing is crucial for effective communication. This phrase is especially useful in problem-solving scenarios where identifying and addressing the root cause of an issue is required. It encourages a detailed and systematic approach to troubleshooting. When using this phrase, it's important to be specific about what mechanism you're referring to, especially in complex systems or discussions. Understand the context to ensure the phrase fits the situation, whether it's a literal mechanical issue or an abstract process problem. We hope this exploration of check the mechanism has illuminated its meaning and how you can use it in various contexts. This phrase is a powerful tool for encouraging thorough investigation and problem solving, whether you're dealing with a physical device or an abstract process. Remember, understanding and using such expressions can greatly enhance your English comprehension and communication skills. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.